We've been servicing the Pottstown community for over 60 years.
You have 4 board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeons here that have all completed extensive training.
Everyone has been wonderful. It was just so easy and everyone was so nice and so caring.
I was completely confident that everything would turn out perfect, and it happened exactly like they said it would.
Pottstown Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery is a full-scope oral and maxillofacial surgery practice.
Most people are anxious coming to the dentist, let alone the oral surgeon's office. Our goal at Pottstown Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery is to make this person feel as relaxed as possible.
We're a group practice. There's myself, Dr. John Lignelli, Dr. James Ward, and our newest addition, Dr. Donald Rowland. Taking care of patients that come into our office who are in need of any aspect of oral and maxillofacial surgery is very rewarding as a surgeon.
We handle all manner and all scope of complications. We really pride ourselves on being full-fledged surgeons. We're able to make sure that the patients are comfortable before we even get started.
Unlike other surgical services, when you come into our office, you're going to meet and talk to the surgeon for a consultation. That surgery will be performed by that surgeon, and you will see that surgeon in post-op.
One of the best feelings as an oral surgeon is to have somebody come back to see me and say how the experience at our office was much better than they could have anticipated, and how happy they are that they had the procedure performed and they had a good outcome.
The technological advances that we utilize at Pottstown Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery are incredible.
We want our patients to feel confident. We want them to think, these doctors really know what they're doing. These people are going to take care of me.
We're providing for our patients not only the latest and greatest technology, we're doing it in a nice warm setting. We have plenty of staff to help and take care of the patients.
You're getting not just one opinion from one expert. We bounce ideas off of one another. We can work together with cases.
Each patient that comes to our office should feel comfortable that any one of the doctors that's seen them has obtained the highest level of education in this specific field.
We do all the facial trauma for Pottstown Hospital down the street. We're very involved in our community and our community hospital.
The safety of our patients is the most important thing throughout the procedure, and it is what we focus on.
Patients we treat have the comfort of knowing that we are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for patients we treat through our office as well as through the emergency department at Pottstown Hospital.
I always felt that I was being taken care of in the best way. It feels wonderful to be able to smile and be able to talk to people without hesitation.
I could not have been in better hands or have interacted with a nicer group of people.
Being part of a community for my entire career has been one of the most outstanding and rewarding parts of what I do. For any of your oral surgery needs, don't hesitate to give us a call at the office or visit us online at pottstownoralsurgery.com. One of the procedures we do on a daily basis are dental implants.
We've been placing implants at this practice for many, many years. We do far more implants here than any other practice in the area. It's not only in the appearance and how things look, but it also has to function.
The end outcome of the implant process is you get essentially a tooth that looks like a tooth, functions like a tooth. You really can't tell the difference.
There's nothing more exciting than seeing an implant patient missing a single tooth or multiple teeth and when the procedures are all complete and their new teeth are present, come back and show them to us.
Whether it's a single tooth replacement or a full arch replacement, we have all the technology available to us to make sure that these implants are placed where they need to be for the best aesthetic and functional result possible.
The technological advances that we've seen in the recent years that we utilize at Pottstown Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery are incredible.
Pottstown Oral Maxillofacial Surgery has recently purchased an intraoral scanner as well as a cone beam CT scanner. 3D imaging and CT guided surgery has become the mainstay for implant placement.
When we take the three-dimensional picture, we really try to walk you through it step by step with the patient so they know, okay, well, this is where it's going to go and this is what I can expect.
Having the technology to be able to merge those two pieces of information together, we can virtually place the implant and then virtually place the tooth, and from there we're able to fabricate a custom surgical guide.
It's phenomenal technology that we use on a regular basis.
We, as board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeons, are able to provide a way to make an otherwise relatively uncomfortable situation and experience much more comfortable and enjoyable.
We have the capability of providing all levels of patient comfort. We can do it in a way that they're going to be comfortable and they're going to have a good positive experience.
We offer laughing gas, which the person will be awake but relaxed while we perform our procedure, all the way to full general anesthesia, where we'll place an IV and that person will get to go to sleep and not remember any of the procedure if they so choose.
Having level 1 anesthesia permits through the state of Pennsylvania, our goal here is to provide safe and comfortable care for our patients.
As a full scope practice, we see a lot of more complicated issues. We do all the facial trauma for Pottstown Hospital down the street. We're very involved in our community and our community hospital.
The oral surgeons at Pottstown Oral Maxillofacial Surgery are equipped to handle all facial trauma needs, and we've all received advanced training to perform these procedures.
The trauma that we see in our community, we can step in and intervene and ultimately get them back to a much more normal and, most importantly, functional lifestyle.
Wisdom teeth is something that we do quite a bit of, and it's something where a lot of people get an exposure to our practice at a relatively young age.
Wisdom teeth, or third molars, are the last teeth to come into your mouth, and as such, there's typically not enough room for them to make their way into the mouth.
We can explain the process in detail. Hopefully the patient leaves our office understanding what the dangers of not having your wisdom tooth removed long-term are.
By coming in early and talking through the process, you get a chance to plan ahead for something that we know isn't the most fun thing you're ever going to do, but at least we can make it convenient.
Our patients at Pottstown Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery feel like family. Treat everyone the way you'd like to be treated, and you can't go wrong.
It was the first time I met Dr. Lignelli. We hit it off right away. He's an extremely personable, warm, friendly person. I was in good hands, 100% comfortable, no side effects. I have that confidence and the good feeling inside that I made a good choice and the right choice.
Coming into the office every single time, they just took exceptional care to make sure that I was informed and knew what was going to happen. I can't even express how wonderful it is to be able to smile and to be confident in life in all situations. I was able to enjoy smiling again. These doctors and the staff here at Pottstown are so wonderful.
I've been coming here quite a few years. Dr. Smith does all my implants. Dr. Smith's a wonderful person. His staff is wonderful too. I have no complaints. It does give you more confidence. It makes you feel good. It was definitely a good experience. Definitely a good experience.
My daughter's orthodontist recommended Dr. Lignelli for originally wisdom teeth removal, but eventually leading to upper jaw surgery. This is 100% the place that you should come. They're very informative, knowledgeable. They take the time to explain things to you. Just reassured us that everything was gonna go smoothly.
We first came to the practice about 5 years ago when my daughter was 3, and I can't say better things about our experience at that time. And the staff really put us at ease. They did an excellent job with showing us her scans, explaining why this needed to be done, allowing us to be in the room with her at the initial points of anesthesia, because when you're that young, it's a very scary thing to go through without your mom and dad there. All around, a wonderful experience. I would highly recommend this practice to anyone.